Right. I've got soldering iron. It's not plugged into my unit, but I'm going to make a soldering iron stand. This is a 10mm pipe bender. Right, it's sprung. Easy to make. You need angle grinder, drill, a screw, a washer, hammer, and something with a good edge on it, anywhere where you can hit. You'll see why in a bit. And a piece of wood to put your stand on. Alright, I'm going to pin you up here. First off, angle grinder on here. Cut it about there. Right, one piece done. But there you've got like a flat spot. You don't really want that. So come in. Cut it off. And then where you've just cut it there, have that to the back, put it on a good edge, see if I can do it there, and then just hammer it. Bit more. Can even do that with pliers. And then all you do, piece of wood, a washer, a screw, a screwdriver, turn it if you can, and there you have a stand. Any wooden base, this is part of a pallet and a stand. Dead simple. Sprung if you want it. That's a T12 tip. Straight in, straight out. Doesn't catch. Any size wood, any size. Obviously you don't want one that long. Cut it down. Any way you can cut it, you can cut it with hacksaw if you want, but I've got my angle grinder with a cutting disc on. Hammer, screwdriver, where is it? Screwdriver to put the screw in. If you've got a thinner piece of wood, nut and bolt from underneath, bolt on top, bolt underneath, nut on top, job done. Thanks for watching, bye.